After waiting and tracking every update, the CNC parts we ordered from 2 different companies have finally arrived today. One CNC battle. Speed, precision, performance. Who leads the game? Let's compare and find the real champion. One CNC company has late delivery issues, while the other struggles with part quality and finishing problems. And in CNC machining, even a small defect can affect the entire project. That's why I'm comparing everything: precision, quality, finishing, and delivery. But the comparison isn't over yet. There's one more CNC company left to test, and in the next project, I'll show you their CNC parts too. Maybe that company finally gets both quality and delivery right. Stay tuned. Now it's time for assembly. No matter which company made the part, the real test begins when we use it. Now it's getting fixed properly. Screws are being tightened on both sides for a strong hold. A screwdriver is used to make sure everything is perfectly tight and secure. Now we're moving to the next CNC parts you can see on the screen. We'll align them carefully and fit them into the visible holes. Once everything is placed correctly, the CNC pulley will be mounted properly. After that, we'll tighten it using an L key for a strong and secure fit. They tied it from both sides, but that's exactly what made it stand out. To get this machine moving, I picked a DC motor from my treasure box. Luckily, it matches the CNC parts perfectly. Just like before, I installed a pulley on the motor shaft using the same method. Now it's ready for the next step. Using a few nuts, bolts, and a metal bracket, I securely mounted the DC motor with the help of a screwdriver. Now I securely attach the DC motor to the main CNC frame, making sure everything is aligned and firmly in place. Finally, I fitted the rubber belt on both pulleys. Now the CNC looks strong and ready to run. Since we're building a sanding machine, I grabbed an empty paint can from my spare parts collection. Then, I wrapped sandpaper around the can and secured it firmly with super glue, creating a smooth and sturdy sanding drum. Place it on the CNC frame, then tighten it smoothly with the locking key. For extra support, we install this CNC part. It provides a strong hold and can be easily tightened by hand using its built-in screw. Power meets accuracy. Control every RPM with our smart DC motor speed controller. You may have seen it in one of our earlier projects, and now we're mounting it directly onto the CNC frame. The motor wires are now attached to the terminal block and firmly secured with a screwdriver. Next, we carefully connect the battery wires to the terminal block. As soon as the connection is made, the circuit LED lights up, indicating correct wiring and no short circuit. Then we securely tighten everything. Now, let's run it and see how it performs. The project is working very smoothly. As I increase the potentiometer, the motor speed increases instantly and responds very well. Everything is functioning properly, making this a reliable and impressive working model. Now we test it on a wooden base. The machine turns on with a simple switch and runs smoothly. You can see the paper sanding machine working perfectly, smoothly grinding the wood surface. It gives a clean and even finish, and you can shape it in any form you want. Your wood, your shape, your masterpiece. Over the years, we've collaborated with passionate students interested in electronics and mechanical engineering, and we've successfully worked on numerous innovative projects with different companies. If you're a student, engineer, creator, or industry professional looking to build something exciting and impactful, we'd love to connect with you. Drop a comment below, and let's turn ideas into real-world projects together. This machine can sharpen knives, scissors, and many other metal tools with precision. How did you like this project? Let us know in the comments. Our next CNC project, a flat sanding machine, is coming soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next project. Goodbye, engineers.